What follows is a selection of videos and still photographs of things that we sometimes see in the garden. We don't have a pond, but we do have the occasional frog that comes and visits. This is a collared dove that fell off the roof of a house after fledging from its nest under the solar panels. It was lucky it didn't die, but mercifully Angela managed to resuscitate it, and after a couple of days it was fine and flew off. This is a picture of the garden during the hard winter of, I think it was March 2018. This bird apparently is a fieldfare that seems to have taken up residence, and he's chasing off all the blackbirds, little bugger. But he's eating some apples that we've left on the ground, which apparently they like. Comes from Scandinavia or something. Fieldfare eating a bit of apple. As soon as the weather warmed up and the snow disappeared, the fieldfare flew off, and we've never seen him since, or her. For many years we had a flock of about 20, quite argumentative it always seems to me, starlings that used to come to the garden twice a day. This year, 2020, there don't seem to be anywhere near as many of them, and sort of 4 to 6 seems to be about the average. But that said, they do look very healthy. And what we got is a bloody blackbird come into my workshop. Come on, Twit, out you go. It's a young one. Got no, he's coming out, I think. Got no, oh dear. Look, mate, you're absolutely going in the wrong direction. The door is over there. Close. Come on. Hey? Totally confused little bugger. Look, the door couldn't be any closer. Yes. Well done. Apparently, the bloody blackbird's come in again. But I can't see where it is. I have to say. What on earth?
Went straight as a die into the garage.
Does it think it's doing? What is it about my workshop that appeals, and where has it gone?
Oh, I'll tell you where it's probably gone. Up there.
Is it up there? I looked up there, I couldn't see it.
I just wonder if it's gone onto the brickwork or above there.
No. It don't want to get trapped in here, that's for sure. It will be dead. No way will
I just got a glimpse of it just
I
slashed straight across.
thought I heard something. The dickhead blackbird has come back. And I don't know what the attraction is. What on earth are you doing, pal? Why do you want to be in here? Hey? You stop in here overnight, you will be dead. Because there is nothing in here for a blackbird. Jesus Christ. So whether you like it or not, you're going to have to go out somehow. Sadly. Oh, for God's sake. Don't go in there.
Oh,
Go on. And bloody well stay out if you want to live, because you'll die in this workshop.
yeah, it's gone into that tree. Mum was around. She's stuck. Very cool.
So the dozy little blackbird, having flown out of my workshop, has now become even more confused. And he's sitting under the barbecue, somewhat perplexed. I don't know. You weren't born with no brains, mate. Was ya? Twit. I know. Have heart failure at this rate. Never mind. Butterfly heaven. Myriads and myriads of butterflies. I think this clip was taken in 2018 and shows the busy bees on the lavender. That said, this year 2020 has also been a very good year for bees on the lavender. We don't have a particularly spectacular garden, and generally speaking we don't go out of our way to either encourage or discourage birds, bees, butterflies and other insects and bits of nature. Poor video quality, but this is a hedgehog that floats about from time to time. We've always had hedgehogs in the garden visiting, and one year we even had 3 babies that came out from under a bush where they'd clearly been born. That said, it is interesting to observe some of the bits and pieces that go on, but I have spared you the collared doves and the pigeons that from time to time are the bane of our lives, and also the neighbourhood cats that stroll around as if they own the place. We do have other things that come to the garden. There is a semi-resident robin, but I haven't managed to catch him on camera. And there are occasionally a couple of, I think they're blue tits, that's how they look to me anyway. And occasionally another lot that seem to have yellow breasts, but I haven't managed to catch any of that lot on camera either. No question about it, male blackbirds are absolutely excellent parents. They carry on feeding their young for at least 2 weeks, as far as we can make out. Just a shame they can't teach their babies to stay out of my workshop where there is no food for blackbirds whatsoever.